I would like to invite Uphaar Kotru, President KOA USA, to talk and let you know about his feelings about this heritage tour and the conclave and his organization. Uphaar is a technology executive and community leader based in California, originally from Srinagar, Kashmir. He currently serves as the President of Kashmiri Overseas Association USA and has been actively involved in preserving Kashmiri Pandit heritage, culture and community engagements. Uphaar ji.
Namaskar Sarni. Thank you Neeraj ji. Thank you Shafalika ji. My name is Uphaar Kotru. I'm a humble, passionate community volunteer. Currently serving as the President of Kashmiri Overseas Association USA. What is KOA? KOA has been a home away home. It has given us a social fabric to preserve our heritage. It has given us a way to remember our rituals, to connect with our fellow community members, be part of the extended family. It has given us a way to connect with people back in home through programs like scholarship that KO has been running for last 4 decades or so, impacting thousands of students. It has given us a way to help in medical emergencies. So, as we come here after 36 years, I feel a very proud member of the Kashmiri Pandit community. Despite all adversities, we have shown perseverance, we have shown excellence, which is the very theme of this conference. We come here, my colleague here, Virendra ji, 1990, he was in medical school. His life got disrupted. For multiple years, he could not complete his education. Yet, he comes here after 36 years as a very accomplished doctor. And like him, there are so many others, engineers, scientists, filmmakers. Look at Aditya there. We're so proud of him. He's setting the narrative for the nation. So extremely, extremely proud of our community and the fact that we chose pen, we chose education over hatred. We do not come here in hate, but we do come here in pain. Now many of you have this question, America pe him kya karne chahiye tha? Sorry, can I speak a little bit in Kashmiri, Hindi? Thoda freely kara bakata hai but. Hey, yim cha America pe bat yim kya karne aamit? It's wana yim cha aamit tourism khud. It's wana yim cha aamit photo op khud. Magar variant ch sawal is kya karne chahiye tha? Is it settled? Es kya matlab achu? Bu wano bu kya chu sam? Ya variya log kete kya sham? Ismara ayot tati mutton shrad dini. Yet sign and certain tiran so. Ismara ayot taf abnav gupthand gufay mans. Rasni yetem samadhi hat. So Kashmir Shaivism yus aise masho magar poor world ke researcher se aspect of research karan spirituality kya hai consciousness kya hai दुनिया बहुत AI मगर तिम चांडन AI छु ठीक consciousness कितकन त्राव आती है इसमें तिम च हेचान कश्मीर शैविज्म इसमें राय तम खत इसमें आय सो गर वचन युस नु तत छु वन मगर वो तथ गरस मन सतिम पीर. Recently I was at a marriage. I sat with my uncles and aunts. मैं तो वन तो में ये घर उस वारिया प्रोन, ये कुता प्रोन उस. And when we did the mapping, it turned out I was the 7th generation living in that house. I came to see that house. So I came to reconnect with my homeland. I mean, my generation, I think, has an additional responsibility. We are probably the last generation which has a living memory. And if we don't connect, how will our kids connect? How will our next generation connect? Behi mara akh yus exodus akh board bar akh impact ka usse social fabric os so got disrupt. When mara cha is migrant, which is a very wrong word. We never migrated from this place. It was an ethnic cleansing and forced exodus. Anyway, we were labeled as migrants, Ashwin migrant. Men chu byak huch me, inch PM package migrant, tim cha alag. Pat gay non-displaced Kashmiris, tim gay alag. Pachim overseas but, ashi algai breed. Ismara emkin to rebuild that social fabric. Ismara I whichni yim son boy ben yeti rood yim nazan drai tim katch timan kya hal ch. And it was eye opening. I mean, some of the experiences over the last few days have been eye opening. I mean, I am humbled and inspired about how they have survived in adverse situations, but yet they have been a source of inspiration for me, you know, as I am going back. So ismara I teen di khatra samajhne khatra teen kya chhe issues. Tuhund dag chhe sain dag, tuhund issues chhe sain issues. It's a community. It's yet asa tate asa. रात को उसमें खीर भवानी बड़ चेयर गाँव में मगर मैं उस मानस मज में चुका सुन वो महाराज तेम रागने देवी खत्र तेमिस प्रश्न मैं कर बलराव सोइन कशीर दूता बलिदान है दूत सारगी मैं दित माफी मैं बलराव वो महाराज तेमिस प्रश्न Es hakon panas California het. Es Maharashtra tat ak initiative kormut. Es yet aso tat ho es pan culture preserve. Baas temis permission है नहीं पक्क में सिर्फ कैलिफोर्निया ऐसे आख हम्बल आख इनिशिएटिव है खीर भवानी मंदिर बनाओ चोन तो इस भावी तम खतरा आज तो वारिया इमोशंस I want to share, but I know there is a limitation of time, but I do want to cover some other aspects. We came here with a very open mind, and what we saw here was nothing less than extraordinary. When I left this place 36 years ago, there was barely any infrastructure. आज yelbu yawan chus ba as Jimpet Vande Bharat. What an accomplishment! I think amazing project. It was yelbu Dras Srinagar railway station that was Bharat ka झंडा ऐसा लहरा रहा था. It was such a proud moment. It was really a proud moment. यहाँ मैं आया, इतने भव्य घर देखे मैंने, इतने अच्छे beautifully constructed homes. Again, I was in awe. Like, I want to take photos of these homes and I want to replicate, some of it back in California where I live today. I saw traffic jam. मतलब घंटे ब्रोह कुछ जाए वात कैसे बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज सो फ्रीली रोमिंग अराउंड सो देर इज अ semblance of progress and yet there is a mixed emotion is bos aag do bro jegati campus mas tatim halat is tach wadun yawan tach makan man sari neran tihund kya while there is freedom it million PM package employment timan che bicharen shepes pat chine hakan din never थी वारिया इश्यूज इन कच्चे मकानन में सन बट बह रोजान अगर तो 5 एप्लिकेशन PM आवास योजना तम तीन अप्रूव गम देर इज अ वेरी मिक्स्ड इमोशन दैट आई एक्सपीरियंस बट एट द सेम टाइम टू कंक्लूड माई थॉट्स आई डू फील इंस्पायर्ड डिस्पाइट ऑल द एडवर्सिटीज सन कम्युनिटी यस रेजिलियंस हमें यस ये रोजान कम्युनिटी लकट लकट शुरस गीता पाठ परान नागदंडियस मज मैजिक बटसोरी अमेजिंग श्री श्री जी कम करान अविनाश तिक्कू जी यू आर अ सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन मटन सिद्धा साहब क्या कम करान द वॉलंटियर्स it is an inspiring feat so I am truly feeling inspired as I leave this valley and to conclude my emotion I'll just conclude with a Kashmiri poem which I wrote some time back. Lokchar zanchum basan oksopun kozoi osa su gar su angun yaad chum pyawan su shalimar bag mangun guris su zamadod zag javoin mokle bujarta av praran yon budbab trav mol moj son thok chubhit lachar चूरि थिवित कूता छुस दिल बेकरार साइनिन शुरियन हुंद क्या उस कसूर जन्न ब्रोहि गयक मज यूज दूर तमहा छुम हावक पनुन असली घर सत पीरियन हुंद ये चुसूर दपान वक्तस सुच गम अशान यूता न्यून तम ज्यादा दीवान फिक्री छुम तिल तरान दो गदो कैज दग बड़ान सैटेलाइट आव यू तूफान सास बदी गए लहू लुहान कूता रो तो कूता त्रो बुन छुम फिक्री तरान 5 वरी प्राण रजिंद छ पतिम पन धाव 5 वरी प्राण रजिंद छ पतिम पन दाव वन क्या वथ कुनी क्रक दिम इन बे राय कहन ग्राव वन क्या वथ कुनी क्रक दिम इन बे राय कहन गाव खुरमुच रेविस कुनी रस बनुक वन क्या वक्त आव